dream is to draw towards the kind of a life you were actually looking for or you born to love for. So that was the first step. You have that nagging feeling inside you, which is, molding you to do something big, which is like you are doing something from ordinary to somebody. The second step is when there is a time to take that particular decision, when you came out of fears of, taking that decision, when you choose in front of your comfort zone or your dream or your desires, or wanted to do something big in your life. That was the time when you have to take the decision. When you are done with these two steps, then the third step will come in the picture, which is the step of bulliness. Obviously, people surrounding you, your close one, your family, your friends, and rest of the people will actually say one or two stuff. Why you are doing this? You are not required to do something like this. Why you are going in that area? And all that stuff. You are already doing so great in your, respective field. Why you are, nagging yourself or bragging yourself in that particular area? But when your first and second steps are very much clear and you are ahead of it, then the third step will actually not letting you go. Then the fourth step will come when you actually on that path of, on your dream path, and you actually wanted to achieve something very big, and in between breakers will obviously breakers will come. You will never get a smooth road whenever you are traveling. The same goes with our dream. Whenever we are pursuing our dream, we'll never get the smooth road and everything goes in the comfort zone and everything is working fine. The breakers will come. That was the time when you'll get, yeah, I'm not able to achieve the things. I'm not able to. That was the time when you have to turn your lemons to the laminate and find a good in every evil situation, so that you can come across from that breaker and you can again start with that smooth road. That was the Then the fifth point is the give your dream a price tag. Are you giving, like, obviously Vijay sir in all the PM session used to tell, you have to tag your dream, you have to give the price tag to whatever you dream you wanted to desire of. If I want that घर, मुझे अगर वो घर चाहिए तो वो घर का price tag I have to note it down. If I want a phone, if I want that luxury dress, whatever, बट मुझे उस ड्रेस का, उस फोन का एक प्राइस टैग पता होना चाहिए, सो दैट आई कैन पुट दैट प्राइस टैग. आर Am I able to put that price tag to my dreams? Then the third step will come deep inside you, something when you are not able to, you know defend कि यार सब लोग वो सब चीजें कर रहे हैं, which I'm not. Like, if I'll give you my example, I'm a youngster, I'm a free bird, but my friends used to watch every Saturday and Sunday, they used to watch Netflix and all those things, and I have no clue कि Netflix होता क्या है, Hotstar होता क्या है, I have no idea. And they used to tease me, यशिका तुझे इतना भी नहीं पता, तुझे कुछ तो पता होना चाहिए नेटफ्लिक्स पे चल क्या रहा है, and all those stuff. Sometimes that feelings come inside you कि यार वो सब ये सब चीजें कर रहे हैं, they are going around. Now तो it's corona virus, but earlier they used to go around, they used to do parties and all those stuff. एंड वो सब चीजें आपको अपनी तरफ ड्रैग करेगी, बट इफ यू आर सो स्ट्रॉन्ग इन रेस्ट ऑफ द स्टेप, वो चीजें आपको ड्रैग बैक नहीं करेगी, एंड यू चूज अ पाथ यू आर चूजन, एंड यू actually not defeat yourself from that particular path. And the last step is, जब आप अपनी ड्रीम फॉलो करते हो, then you'll give the dream to rest of the people. Like whatever dreams I'm following, I'm trying to share my dream with rest of the people, so that we can come across and make this world a better place to live in. So I would like to end my talk with one saying, हर दिन अपनी जिंदगी को एक नया ख्वाब दो. हर दिन हर दिन अपनी जिंदगी को एक नया ख्वाब दो. चाहे पूरा हो या ना हो, पर एक आवाज तो दो. चाहे पूरा हो या ना हो, पर एक आवाज तो दो. एक दिन पूरा जरूर हो जाएगा आपके सारे ख्वाब, सिर्फ एक शुरुआत तो दो. Thank you so much for listening to me.